Jamaica under severe weather alert as a new tropical storm forms in the eastern Caribbean. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, National Security Minister outlines short and medium-term crime plan in Parliament.
Commissioner of Police back in St. James.
Major player in alleged ATM scam shot and killed.
Outpatient clinics at Cornwall Regional ordered closed. We'll tell you why.
In the business day, gas prices to go up tomorrow.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Has the current crime wave in Western Jamaica made you afraid to go out or made you change your normal routines and practices?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjag.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
News headlines brought to you by